Garrett is about to shoot him. He's already killed 2 of them. See? Dude, I can so get it. Well,
there's a rock falling.
If you fall on me, I'm gonna be so pissed. Hey, wait, hey, if he falls, I'll catch him, okay?
Hey, he's gonna be alive.
Well,
He's got next shot if you miss.
Not, okay.
If he don't stop.
Shoot him in the head, try to.
Got him. Oh my God. He down. He landed.
Here's the last bird. Garrett,
Come over here.
how many birds have you killed? 2? 3?
It's
He's hit 3. Killed 3. And see here, that's his destroy.
He destroyed it after.
Their cat.
I got it.
Let's. I'm just gonna put this on YouTube. Are you allowed to be on YouTube? Okay, cause if not, I can blur your face. Oh, look at his. Hey, did that dove die? Well, let's not take a chance because he's over there. Dude. I'm walking through all these. Hey, little guy.
I saw him.
I think I see him. Is that him on that one? I don't know. There's some feathers for my last bird. Do you see him? Do y'all see him?
Oh man. I'm not coming back. That's good.
Are we taking this one back with us?
Oh.
All right, here's Sam. Bye-bye, birdie.
He destroyed the back end of
Who? Yeah. Andy, don't even get it, seriously.
So I killed 3 basically because that one was down.
Yeah, you have killed 3.
You killed 1 because
Let's try
it
to.
didn't go down. Here.
There's the other bird he killed. You baggy. See? This one's pretty. He just eats the fur off of it. And it's good. Alright, peace.